What's going on YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys a video of my 2008 Prius. This is gonna be another update video. Murderkiss is down bad right now, unfortunately. Friday night, I believe it was, let me check my phone really quick. Anyways, Friday night, what was it? December 10th. Actually, maybe December 11th, I'd guess, to be super specific. But at midnight on a Friday night, I hydroplaned from my BMW, and my passenger airbags went off, my driver's side airbag went off. No body damage, thankfully, but it looks like Murderkiss is out of the beam game. Luckily I'm unscratched. I did get a scratch on my elbow, but luckily I'm okay. My back, my neck, all that's straight. So I'm super thankful for the higher up for, you know, blessing me in the fact that nothing serious happened. I didn't hit anyone else. It was a self incident. I hydroplaned in the rain in my car. Pretty upset about it, but you know, at least I'm here to, you know, live another day and keep going and keep pushing. But anyways, guys, got the old faithful back. Always had this car as a secondary car, but now it looks like it's gonna be my primary car. But anyways, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Murderkiss. I'll be making YouTube videos and vlogs, trying to get my car content. Shout out or Washington football team. Can't even call them that name anymore. They got canceled. But anyways, I'm gonna start this video, and you know, we're gonna just talk about Prius stuff. So anyways, thank you for watching. All right, guys, back in the Prius. Ta-da. Anyways, this car is super sweet. I love it. I don't know what your opinion on it. Definitely not as fast or cool looking, in my opinion, as the BMW 3 Series. These are both 2008 cars. This one's a 2008 Prius, and my BMW was a 2008. But I love the interior in this car. It's definitely more futuristic than the BMW. A lot more plastic and stuff, but I can't complain. I mean, this is a very economical car. I do have JBL speakers. Let me make sure we're good. I'm just gonna do a little quick trip for you guys, just talk about and vibe out, just have a good time. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. Like I said before, I was in a self-induced car accident. I was at fault. I filed an insurance claim on it, and I have yet to see what is wrong with the car. Hopefully nothing too bad. Hopefully I can fix it. I did love that car to pieces. I mean, that thing was super sweet. But like I was saying, things happen and you gotta learn from your mistakes. But anyways, back to this car. Full battery. There is some issues with this car, unfortunately. I believe the front of the car, I don't know what it is exactly, but there's a lot of vibration coming from the front. Little bit of a rough ride. Can't go too fast in this car, but at least I'm saving gas. Look at this, guys, 99 miles per gallon. I could only wish that in my other car. And the AC and heat works, sound system works, wipers work, turn signals work. What more could you ask from a car? This is a front wheel drive car, so it does handle a lot different than the BMW. But like I was saying, this car is complete different purpose than the other car. This is definitely the better option for my age and my situation right now, to be honest. BMW ownership is, like my friend was saying, it's called bring more wallet. that is no joke. I think that's what it stands for, BMW. I think it stands for bring more wallet. Definitely not as reliable as this Prius in terms of maintenance wise. You have to really keep up with the BMW maintenance, but it is a super fun car. I'm definitely dreaming of it right now as I'm talking to you through this video. Sorry if that is discouraging you from watching, but I mean, it really hit my heart, crashing the car. Hopefully, like I was saying, it's not too bad, but I really have no idea. But I'm super thankful to have a secondary car. I had to pick up more shifts at my work. I work at Starbucks right now. My dream is YouTube, guys. So please help my dream come true. Smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see next from me, what I can improve on. I love hearing feedback. I love the supporters I have as of right now. You guys are amazing. Shout out everyone. I know that my Prius videos actually do a lot better than my BMW ones. So hopefully I can really build that community up and, you know, get the viewership I need to get to the next level. Definitely will upgrade my camera system and you know, vibe out more. Like I'll make better content. If you look at my older videos, guys, compared to the ones I've recently started posting, I recently got out of a mental rut, and I do want to talk about that in this video really quickly. I'll confidently say, as a 21-year-old male, I'm gonna say I'm a man, because, you know, I have, you know, the features down below, so I'm gonna say I'm a male, because, like, I know there's like a lot of like she slash her slash he slash him. Like I don't even know. I see it on Instagram. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. But I mean, I'm not trying to get too political or anything, but I just want to say, as a 21-year-old, I was not in the best mental state. And you can kind of reflect that in my older videos. I feel like my personality wasn't there as much. I wasn't as enthusiastic. And I don't know what to do with the content, because I already posted it, and I feel like I still can, you know, have it up there just for, I want to say. I really don't know what to do with that old content. But as of right now, I'm in a much better headspace. Even though I had a hiccup in the road by crashing my car, I still am grateful for my friends and family and just the people I have in my life, and I want to convey that to you guys. I mean, be grateful for what you have. I mean, you never know when you can lose it. Not trying to be like dark or anything, but like just take it as I'm saying it. Like, just be grateful of the things you have. Count your blessings. I mean, it's crazy to me, and I think I had to realize that by like crashing my car, to just be grateful of what I have. I'm so grateful to have my friends, my family, and just people that support me. And I know it's hard for a lot of people, especially nowadays. I mean, like, this COVID situation has been off the charts. I mean, very straining on everyone on this planet. I wish everyone the best, and just positive vibes, and, you know, we will get through this all together. Just keep it going, take it a day at a time. That's what I'm personally doing, just taking everything a day at a time, and just enjoying the moments of what you have. Like I was saying before, super grateful to have a secondary car, super grateful to have the support of my parents, my little brother, my friends. I really don't know what I'd be doing without all these people in my life. They really keep me pushing, keep going. And, you know, I'm super grateful for what the future holds. I'm only 21 years old, and I know I have much time ahead of me. And same goes for everyone. I mean, time is so valuable, guys. What you do with your time, it will affect your reality. And I'm not trying to be super philosophical or anything. I'm just trying to tell the truth. Like, I feel like that's very valid points. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update video. I love you all. Let me see what the time is. It's 4:45. It's a little chilly outside. It's 46 degrees. But I'm super grateful to make this content for you guys. I always enjoy making YouTube. I love seeing your comments. I love seeing the support from everybody. You guys are the best. But this Prius, man, I mean, this is probably top 10 cars, honestly, in the market. A second generation Prius. I mean, just the economy it saves, the maintenance. The ride quality isn't bad, especially if you don't, like, have, like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I hit this car too. Just because I'm a new driver. I was, like, learning, like, physics and stuff. I'm not trying to say I'm a bad driver, but everyone makes mistakes. And but a new car of one of these, I remember when I had it, like, in pretty good condition. But all of that stuff can be fixed. It just takes time and money. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna just stop the video just because I'm turning and I don't want any, like, people to look at me like I'm crazy, because I have the GoPro strapped to my hat. But anyways, peace and love to everybody. Love you all. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.